Wanna sound less boring and more savage when you speak English? Today we are learning 15 plus dope, cheeky, and straight up, unhinged words to upgrade your vocab. Wanna know the secret slang that makes natives go, damn, your English is. Today we are unlocking 50 plus juicy vocabulary words you will never learn in textbooks. We will turn happy into chuffed, tired into deadass, and weird into skip D. Let's dive deep. Going to dive deep. You have to know about that what you will learn today. Different adjectives words, 5 cheeky British words, 5 savage American terms, 5 unhinged Gen Z phrases, and 5 viral internet words that even teachers don't know. Smash like if you knew gyatt, comment your favorite slang below and subscribe for more lit lessons. Let's go. On the first word is awesome. Really good or impressive. Example, that concert was awesome. Chill, relaxed or easygoing. Example, he is really chill guy. Cheesy, overly sentimental. Example, that movie was so cheesy. Dope, cool or excellent. This is also a slang. Example, your new sneakers are dope. Sketchy, suspicious or unreliable. Example, that alley looks sketchy. Nifty, clever or useful in a cool way. That's a nifty little gadget. Lame, boring or uncool. Example, the party was lame. Savage, brutally honest or extremely cool. Example, his comeback was savage. Bougie, fancy in a showy way, short for bouges. Example, she loves bougie coffee shop. Grumpy, in a bad mood. Example, don't talk to him, he is grumpy today. Weak, weird or bad. Example, this pizza tastes weak, sleazy, dishonest or shady. Example, that salesman seems lazy. Busted, broken or ugly. Example, my phone is totally busted. Cringy, embarrassingly awkward. Example, his joke was so cringy. He's bold and confident, often used in fashion personality. Example, her outfit is face. There are 15 more informal adjectives to spice up your daily conversations. These words are fun, expressive, and commonly used in casual English. So let's get started. Number first is wretched. Messy, trashy, or out of control. Example, that party was straight up wretched. Basic, unoriginal, mainstream. Example, she only drinks pumpkin spice, that's so basic. Extra, over the top, dramatic. Example, why did you buy 10 balloons? That's so extra. Salty, bitter or upset, often use something pity. Example, he is still salty about losing the game. Clap, ugly or renewed. This is a UK slang. Example, that haircut left him looking clapped. Number 6, Globen mode. Acting lazy, messy or unapologetically weird. Example, I have been in Globen mode all weekend. No showers, just snakes. Mid, average, not great. Slang for mediocre. Example, that new album is kinda mid. Unhinged, crazy and unpredictable. Example, her tweets are completely unhinged. Zesty, energetic, spicy or sassy. Example, his comebacks are always zesty. Cringe, so awkward, it's painful to watch. Example, his dance moves are pure cringe. Bent, annoyed or angry. This is a UK slang. Example, she was bent when she found out. Number 12, glow up, a major transformation for the better. Example, did you see her glow up? She looks amazing. So, suspicious or shady. This is from US slang. Example, why is he acting so sus? Woke, socially aware. He thinks he is woke, but he is just annoying. Vibe, a good or atmosphere. We can use vibe as a verb. So example, this cafe has such a chill vibe. Here are some slang that you can use in your everyday conversation. So let's get started. Number first is bussin. Extremely good, usually for food. This burger is bussin. Hinge, Muscular UK slang. Dude got hench at the gym. Ghosted, ignored, especially in dating. She ghosted me after one date. Flop, a failure. That movie was a total flop. Mint, perfect, like new UK slang. This is a UK slang, so your car is mint. Here are GENZ slang 2025 trendy words. The first one is rizz, charisma, flirting skills. He is got mad. Rizz, gyatt, a big but from good damn meme used like she got gyatt. Sigma, a lone wolf ultra confident that buys Sigma male. Phenom text, stealing food from streamer from don't phenom, text my fries. So the last one is skip D, nonsense word from a meme now means crazy. This party skip D. Here is also British slang. You can casual talk. You can use these slang in your daily conversation. So first one is minging. Gross, disgusting. This soup is minging. Grafting, working hard. She is grafting for the promotion. Miffed, annoyed. I'm miffed. They cancelled the show. One is babe, short for beverage, but also means attractive person. Who is that bev? Chuffed, well pleased. I'm chuffed with my grades. Next one is internet Twitter slang. Touch grass, go outside. Stop being online. You need to touch grass, bro. No cap, no lie. That's fire, no cap. The next one is based, boldly true, unfiltered. Your take is based. Glow up, transformation from ugly to hot. Her glow up is insane. NPC, someone with no personality like a video game robot. He is such an NPC. So the next one is hip hop, street slang. You can also use in your awkwardness. He trapped on stage. Big jigs. Sleek, perfectly done. Her eyebrows are on fleek. Deadass. Seriously, I'm deadass tired. The next one is bet. Agreement. We meeting at 8. Bet. Litty. Amazing type. This party is litty. The next one is humorous, playful slang. The first one is yeet. To true. Aggressively, he yeeted his phone in anger. So the next one is Karen. Entitled, complaining person. She asked for the manager. Total Karen. The next one is sent. Went all out. He sent it off the cliff. The next one is Bengis mode. Acting weird, funny. I'm in Bengis mode today. Cormorant. Fake smart word from Simpsons. Sounds weird, but it's cramulent. The next slangs are gamer, enemy slang. The first one is OP, overpowered. That movie is OP. The next one is POG, poggers, exciting. That goal was poggers. The next one is sus, suspicious. Red is acting sus. The next one is waifu or husbando. Fictional crush like Zelda is my waifu. GG, good name. GG, we lost fair. Words, you just level up your English with 5 savage American slangs, 5 cheeky British terms, proper chef, unhingering GENZ phrases, no cap, viral internet words based. Wow, it's your turn. Comment below with bussin if you use this today, mint if you knew some already, global mood if your mind is blown. DM me on Instagram, learn with Ma'am Umelala your best slang sentence using today's word. I'll feature the most cringy but awesome ones next year. So take care, bye bye, and see you soon.